Hello, Edward. My name is Brad, and I'm sending this free video uh, compliments of your secretary, Becky. So she's looking out for you, Edward. She is very pleasant to talk to, by the way. But anyhow, let's get right into this. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. There's three different things I'm going to be talking about in this video, Edward. And one is content. The second is backlinks, and third is citations. Content, Edward, is the amount of words that are on your web page. As you see, I have it pulled up here. So again, content is the amount of words you have here on your web page. And how I found out how many words you have is I went into this thing called Web Page Counter, and then I just copy and paste your URL, and I put it right in here. I push count, and it tells me how many words you have. You have 170 words on your web page, okay? Google, however, is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your web page. I'm going to go over here to your competition. You see, I have them up here. I'm going to copy and paste just like I did yours into this. Again, this is a free tool. You're welcome to use it. Just look it up on the internet. There's several other ones out there too you can use. So they have 3,411 words. Okay. So they're really, really doing a good job out there. Um, this is something where you should use the information I've given you and get more words on your web page because it's going to bring a lot more revenue in for you. Okay, Edward? And I think that's why you're in business to bring in revenue. How I found your competition. Again, the same thing. I just typed in plumbing and heating and Prairie du Chien, and it brings up Map It. As you can see, you are the number one person out there. That is awesome. That's a good job. But if you want to stay there, you'll have to use this information I'm giving you to stay there. I tried this one right here, but it just brought up furnaces you could buy. So I went down to your third one down here, H&N. Okay. Um, Down here is the second place that people are going to click to find your business. Down here, however, is the first place people click on to find what they're looking for. So with that in mind, let's talk about keywords. Keywords are plumbing, heating, air conditioning. If you're going to go on a trip, you might type in hotels. If you're hungry, you might type in restaurants. Those are keywords. Um, and again, keywords is anything that people are looking for to find what they're looking for, if that makes sense to you. So as I click down through here, I see you are in third place right now in the organic area. However, this area right here, the number one spot is where everybody normally clicks to find what they're looking for. So you're doing a good job. You're in like the fourth spot here and the number one spot here. But like I said, to keep up with that, you need to keep your word count up to about 1,500, 2,000. Um, again, back here, this is organic keywords down here. And with that in mind, I'm going to see what your organic keywords are. You have 18. Okay. So by adding more words to your web page, you have more room to put in organic keywords into your web page. And again, this is very helpful because this is how much your organic keywords are bringing in per month approximately is $419. Let's see what your keywords are. So plumbing and heating is good. Edwards Plumbing has worked for you. Edwards Plumbing's bringing a lot, so you must be well known out there just by your name. Um, Again, Edwards, when you add plumbing and heating added to it, Edwards Plumbing, again, that's what's bringing in words. Heating and appliances, Edwards Appliances Repair, Edwards Heating and Cooling 500. With that in mind, I'm going to go over here to your competition. They have 162 or 62 referring or 162, sorry about that, which is bringing them in slightly more revenue per month, okay? And if we click on their organic keywords, it'll bring up what they are using. And you can actually copy and paste a lot of this stuff that I'll be showing you here and send it to your website. Okay, so you can use these right from their websites. So H&M, so that's spelling possibly wrong. Wisconsin Plumbing. So H&M's bringing them 350. Plumbing and Heating's bringing them 450. Plumbing Heating Contractors near me is 500. So you can see plumbing 4,000. Okay, so they got a lot coming back at them, which is great. And that's what Google is looking for because they got robots that are constantly searching the web pages and see how many words you have, how many keywords you have, how many backlinks you have. So this is useful information for you to use, okay? I'm going to go into backlinks next since I brought that up a couple times here. Backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I know that sounds pretty technical, but basically all it is a popularity contest where the person with the most backlinks pointing back to their webpage wins. Back to more of the technical stuff. These links act like an endorsement, Edward, for your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for your business. So let's go. Well, we're already up on there, so not to waste time. They have 446. Your competition does. Let's just see who their backlinks are, who's referring back to them. So here's some people that are referring back to them. So they've got a lot of coming right. Oh, okay. So from Fenimore, Lancaster. So they got their partners out there helping them out a little bit here. H&N Plumbing and Heating. Okay. So as you can see, a backlink is strong and very important to your business. I'm going to go to your backlinks while we're waiting. You have 66, so you need a little bit of help here. Let's see who your backlinks are. Edwards. Again, Edwards. So you got a lot of people out there helping you as well. Looks like your strongest one is right here. Okay. So keywords, backlinks. A keyword can actually even be hidden right behind this picture for you. Okay. Backlinks can be hidden in there. So there's a lot of things that can help you bring people to you and bring more revenue in with you. If you get more words in here, and like I said, you can hide things behind pictures, so you might want to add more pictures. But like I said, there's a lot of things you can do, Edward. Citations. Let's talk about citation. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. So, for instance, if this wasn't in here right here, that would make a difference on your backlinks and your citation. There's a little dot here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but these are all very important. The exact spelling of the address. Again, there's a little dot right here, and then your phone number to be exact. So, in closing, Edward, there are a few things that you can do. You can add more words, add more citations, um, add more keywords, more backlinks. This information will be sent to you by a video that I'm going to send to you by an email. You can either reply to that video and get back to me that way, or you can reach me at 608 574 2784. Thank you very much, and have yourself